Turn scrolling into dollars. Make money on social media in 2024. Have you ever wondered if you could turn those hours spent scrolling through your social media feed into cash? In 2024, the digital world offers countless opportunities to monetize your social media presence. And it doesn't require you to have millions of followers. Find your lane. Why you need a niche to succeed. Look, you can't just expect to post random stuff and watch the money roll in. You need a game plan, a strategy. And it all starts with finding your niche. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? That's your sweet spot. Let's say you're obsessed with handcrafted jewelry. Great. Turn it into your niche. Start creating content around jewelry making. Share your process, your inspirations, your creations. By focusing on a specific audience, you build a community of followers interested in what you offer. A smaller, engaged audience in your niche is far more valuable than thousands of random followers. Think about it. Would you rather have 100,000 followers who are vaguely interested, or 5,000 followers ready to buy your handcrafted jewelry? I'm going with option number 2. Niche down, find your tribe, and watch your engagement and your income skyrocket. Your profile, your digital storefront. You've got your niche, you're ready to crush it, but first, take a look at your social media profile. Is it doing its job? Think of it like your digital storefront. Would you walk into a store with a messy window display, flickering lights, and a confusing layout? No way. Your online presence should be clean, inviting, and easy to navigate. Make sure your bio clearly communicates who you are, what you do, and who you serve. Use high-quality images and videos. No one's buying from someone with a blurry, pixelated profile picture. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, and show them you're not just a faceless entity. Simple tweaks like these can help attract the right followers and potential clients. Content is king. Creating content that converts. You've heard it before and you're going to hear it again. Content is king, but it's not enough to just churn out any old content. It's got to be good, engaging, and most importantly, it has to provide value to your audience. Think about it. What problems are you solving for your followers? What information can you share that will help them, entertain them, or inspire them? Only a small percentage of your content should be directly promotional. The rest, pure, unadulterated value. 60% of your content should be engaging and informative, directly related to your niche. Think tutorials, tips and tricks, behind the scenes looks, and inspiring stories. The next 30%, curated content, share relevant industry news, articles, and insights. Finally, that last 10%, that's where you hit them with the promotional stuff. This balance keeps your followers returning for more without feeling overwhelmed by sales pitches. From follower to paid partner, sponsored posts and videos. One of the most common ways influencers monetize their social media is through sponsored posts and videos. It's about partnering with brands that align with your values, your message, and your audience. If you've built a loyal following around your love for sustainable fashion, it wouldn't make sense to partner with a fast fashion brand, right? Your audience can smell inauthenticity a mile away. Choose brands you genuinely love and use. And don't be afraid to negotiate your worth. When Sarah started out, she reached out to small businesses in her niche, offering to create sponsored content in exchange for free products or a small fee. As her following grew, so did her rates. She even turned down offers from brands that didn't feel like the right fit. Be transparent with your audience about your partnerships, use relevant hashtags, and disclose sponsored content according to FTC guidelines. Affiliate marketing, earning passive income while you sleep. Want to know one of the best things about the internet? It's open 24/7, which means you can literally be making money while you sleep. How? Affiliate marketing, my friend. You sign up for an affiliate program with a brand you love, get a unique tracking link, and share that link with your followers. Every time someone makes a purchase using your link, you earn a commission. Remember Sarah, she signed up for affiliate programs with brands that aligned with her design work, sharing links with her audience. Each time a follower purchased through her link, Sarah earned a commission. The key here is to promote products and services that you genuinely believe in, and that would benefit your audience. Be authentic, be helpful, and watch those commissions roll in. Package your knowledge. Creating and selling online courses. You've got knowledge, expertise, and a captive audience eager to learn from you. Why not package all that goodness into an online course? Whether it's photography, coding, cooking, or even social media marketing itself, there's an audience out there hungry for your expertise. Creating an online course takes work. You need to plan your curriculum, film high-quality videos, create downloadable resources, and market your course effectively. Remember Sarah? She packaged her design skills into an online course and promoted it through her social media. Now she's earning passive income by helping others learn design. And the best part, she only had to create the course once. It continues to generate income for her on autopilot. Beyond courses, diversifying with digital products. Online courses not your thing? No problem. There's a whole world of digital products out there just waiting for you to create them. Think ebooks, templates, checklists, workbooks, presets, stock photos. The list goes on and on. The beauty of digital products is that they're instantly downloadable, which means no inventory, no shipping, and no overhead costs. Remember Sarah? She created downloadable design templates and sold them directly to her followers. These products continue to generate passive income with minimal ongoing effort. From online to IRL. Monetizing your community with events. Hosting events, whether in person or online, is a fantastic way to monetize your social media presence and build deeper connections with your community. Think workshops, meetups, conferences, webinars. The possibilities are endless. Events provide an opportunity to share your knowledge, connect with your followers face to face, or screen to screen, and generate revenue through ticket sales, sponsorships, or even merchandise sales. Remember Sarah? She organized a virtual workshop where she taught design techniques to aspiring creators. By selling tickets, she made money and built deeper connections with her community. The key to a successful event is to provide real value to your attendees. Your social media empire awaits. Look, it's not always going to be easy. Building a successful online business takes hustle, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. You're going to make mistakes, you're going to face challenges, but don't let that discourage you. Remember Sarah? She learned some important lessons along the way. Making money on social media is entirely possible, whether you're a creator, a small business, or simply looking for a side hustle. Now get out there